Hello dear viewers and channel subscribers. A stroke is a deadly condition when occurs when there is a malnutrition in the blood of the brain. There are three possible outcomes of a stroke: death, disability, and in very rare cases recovery. Most often, after recovery in a person, one half of the body ceases to work, so-called hemiplegia occurs, that is, the absence of movements on one half of the body in the arms, legs, tongue. The earlier the first signs of a stroke are detected, the higher the chance of a full recovery, and the lower the chance of a disability and death. Therefore, we carefully watch the video and remember the first and the most important signs of a stroke. Firstly, it should be clarified that a stroke is two types. First type, ischemic, when a blood clot or other process partially or completely closes the brain vessel, causing ischemia, what is a violation of blood supply. This type of stroke is more favorable and better treatable than another type. Also, it all depends on the size of the vessel. The larger it is, the worse the result. Second type, hemorrhagic stroke, occurs when a vessel returns and blood goes out. At the same time, the general condition is worsened not only by the lack of a brain nutrition, but also by compression of the blood leaving the vessel. This type of stroke is more likely to be fatal. The main symptoms of a stroke in English are described by the words FAST, F-A-S-T, to better remember the sequence of action. First letter means face. Ask a person to smile. In a stroke, one corner of the mouth will be omitted. Second letter A. Arms. Ask to raise both hands. With a stroke, one arm will be weaker, or person will not be able to control it at all. Third letter C. S. Speech. Ask a person to pronounce their name or a simple syntaxes in a few words. The speech of a person with a stroke will seem strange and uncomfortable to you. Third letter T. Time. For any of these symptoms, even if they were temporary and the health already passed, you should immediately call an ambulance. The quick reaction of the relatives coupled with the action of the doctors gives hope that the consequences of a stroke will not be so devastating. In addition, a severe headache, vomiting, loss of consequence, cramps, dizziness, and general weakness can also accompany a stroke. As soon as you or your loved ones find the symptoms and call an ambulance, the greater the likelihood of a favorable outcome. I hope this video was useful to you. If yes, then pat likes and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to click on the bell in order not to miss new videos regarding medicine, prevention and treatment of disease. And have a nice day, my viewers.